Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, July 10th. We were looking for buyers to come back into this market. I'm not bearish on these stock indices as we've discussed. This is a market moving on anticipation of a future event. That is usually not sustainable. However, we're not out of the woods. The next 2 days are important and I'm looking for a rally into the weekend. The euro did trade above this bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market's 13 ticks or $162.50. And again, I'm just giving you an example of what that magnitude change represents, but I'm still looking for buyers to support these currencies, especially here the euro. Also, in the notes, it was getting weaker earlier in the day. I liked it, but we did firm up. I'm not looking for that to be sustainable. I'm looking for an unchanged, a slightly lower move when it comes to the 10-year notes. In gold, well, we rallied and we broke, and I feel we're going to see more of the same. As I mentioned to you before, I think we have a very neutral position here, but my bias is still for a move to the upside. Crude oil, I like the weakness here. I think it does make sense. We're looking for a market to rotate back and forth. I'm looking for continued weakness in the crude oil market. But when it comes to grains, soybeans stop to take a breath. I don't think this is a strong reason for a rally. The fundamentals do not support that. I'm looking for continued weakness in the ags. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.